The best phone you can buy under 8,000. Which might it be? Can you guess? It's the Samsung Galaxy M10. Everyone might be not satisfied by my words. But it is the best phone. I will explain you why. See. Samsung provides one of the best customer services. And their phones are really durable. And the Samsung M10 is no exception. Samsung M10 will give you 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, and a 1.6 GHz processor and 3400 mAh battery and a 6.2 inches display. And also a wide-angle camera, which is good enough at this price range. Hope you like the video.